Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The factual background in which the aforesaid mentioned issues have been raised are that petitioner of present writ petition was appointed as a fair price shop dealer in the year 1993 full stop. Petitioner's son Raj Bahadur was elected as Pradhan in the year 2010 full stop. A show cause notice dated 5th November, 2012 was issued to the petitioner to show cause as to why the shop we not cancelled, since the he is running the shop, living in the joint family, and his son has been elected as Pradhan full stop. Petitioner submitted reply to the show cause notice dated 21st 1st 2013 and same was followed by the order dated 3rd April, 2013 by the petitioner's fair price shop agreement has been cancelled full stop. Petitioner at this juncture has approached this court cautioning the validity of the decision so taken cancelling his fair price shop agreement on 3rd April, 2013 and his submission has been to the effect that petitioner's son is living separately and cannot be treated to be a member of family and accordingly ground on the basis of which petitioner's fair price shop has been cancelled is unsustainable full stop. Petitioner's submission has been to the effect that the definition of family as given in government order dated 3rd July, 1990 and as has been interpreted in Ram Murat's case Supra does not take into consideration clause 2 O and further clauses 30 and 31 of UP Scheduled Commodities Distribution Order, 2004, in its correct reference and correct perspective and in view of this, the definition of family contained in government order dated 3rd July, 1990 has to be accepted as superseded and effected after the enforcement of UP Scheduled Commodities Distribution Order, 2004 full stop. The division bench of this court noticed the arguments raised from the side of petitioner and proceeded to refer the matter in the direction of getting authoritative pronouncement full stop. Shri Ajay Bhanot, learned counsel for the petitioner, opened his arguments by contending that the division bench's judgment in the case of Ram Murat (Supra) by accepting the definition of the word family as given in Government Order dated 3rd July, 1990, paragraph 4.7 has not at all laid down the correct law after enforcement of UP Scheduled Commodities Distribution Order, 2004, wherein a different concept and a different definition has been introduced in the shape of household, which is synonyms of family, and in such a situation definition of family as mentioned in Government Order dated 3rd July, 1990 has to be accepted and accordingly by placing reliance on the definition of family as given in paragraph 4.7 of Government Order dated 3rd July, 1990, such a punitive action could not have been taken, as has been done in the present case, and the issue of question ought to have been dealt with on the parameters of the definition of household as is provided under clause 2 (O) of in UP Scheduled Commodities Distribution Order, 2004, as same has the overriding effect over the definition of family given in paragraph 4.7 of the Government Order dated 3rd July, full stop.